Have you been thinking of how to grow organically on Instagram without spending money on ads? Like you really want to grow your page, you want your followers to be increasing every single day. You've tried all the tricks and strategies that you're consistent, you're this, you're that, but your page is still not growing. Then don't worry, this video is for you. I'm going to be walking you through 7 ways on how you can grow organically on Instagram without spending money on ads. And number 7 is going to surprise you. Now let's go. Number 1 is optimizing your page to be able to rank on search. Now, this is a no-brainer. This is the first thing everyone should do on Instagram. Optimize your page so that your page can rank on search by using keywords in your bio. Keywords that when people search for those keywords, they are going to find your page. Now Instagram has updated their SEO, that's their search engine optimization, the way they are going to be ranking content and pages. They've changed that, right? So if you want your page to rank on search, there are certain keywords that you have to be using on your page. Now ask yourself, what do you sell, or what do you want to be known for? Like, what kind of content do you create? Write down those keywords and then ensure that you have that keyword, at least one of those keywords, or 2 or even 3 on your bio, that's on your name, and also in the content that you will be creating on Instagram. That way, your page is going to rank on search. Gone are the days where, we use hashtags to, increase our reach and all that. By the way, if you're interested in knowing the hashtags that work, all about Instagram hashtag strategy, type hashtag in the comments, and I'm going to be making a video inshallah soon relating to that. But we are talking about optimizing with keyword right now. So go to your page and change your bio, change your name. If you don't have any of those keywords, put that. And this is an example from my page. I'm a social media marketing academy, and the keyword social media is already there on as my name instead of me putting my real name or something like that. So if someone's searching for social media academy or social media, my page is going to rank on search. So that's how you can rank on search, by adding keywords to your name. The second way you can grow on Instagram organically without ads is, you guessed it right, Reels. Yes, Reels. By creating more Instagram Reels on your page. Now, Instagram Reels are videos, right? So you can create short form videos on your Instagram to increase your reach, because Instagram algorithm as it is right now is pushing out Reels content, most especially for small creators, for small accounts. So if you are small accounts, congratulations to you. You have the opportunity to increase your followers organically right on Instagram by creating short videos. Now, if you want to create the Reels, ensure that they are engaging, ensure that you have a hook on your Insta or on your Reels, ensure that you have like a title, like a cover title on your Instagram Reels, so that when people see the Reels, they'll be able to, click it by just reading the text or the cover. It's going to invite them to click it and watch it till the end. And for Reels, don't make your Reels like too long, maybe like 60 seconds or even 30 seconds Reels. They kind of go viral faster than longer Reels, and also they have more tendency of engagement. So be creating Reels. My advice to you right now is make sure that 70 to 80% of your content on Instagram should be Instagram Reels. Yes. So even if you want to create a single post, make it a Reel. Even if it's a picture of you, or you want to do carousels of your pictures, make it into a Reel. Don't just post it as a single post or as a carousel. Make it a Reel. If you want to create educational content, you can go for carousels because they are so engaging right now on Instagram. Carousels and Reels are really performing well on Instagram right now. But for virality, for you to increase your reach and all that, my advice for you is to create Instagram Reels. Okay? The next strategy for you to grow organically on Instagram is creating very good quality content. Now, this kind of in line with the second tip that I just talked about, which is Reels. Your Reels have to be valuable. They have to be super valuable. You don't just create random stuff and then see you've done your Reels or you've done your content. You have to have good quality content that's going to make people to follow you on Instagram. Now, even if someone discovers your page on Instagram and then they check your profile and then they see that you don't have anything for them to entertain them or educate them or inspire them or to keep them glued to your page, they're not going to follow you despite finding your page. So the goal is for you to grow the page, for them to follow you, right? Ensure that you have amazing content. Your page is optimized so that when they discover your page, they will give you a follow. Now, what I want you to do is go back to your page and take a look at it, okay? Take a look at your page, your bio, your highlights, your feed, everything. Take a look at it. Ask yourself, if I see this page somewhere else, will I follow the page? What will make me follow this page? That is your assignment. Do that and then make the changes that you need to make. Okay. Now, the next strategy I have for you on how to grow organically on Instagram without ads. This is a very old strategy. Like, we've been using this, I think, since 2019, 2020, and it still works, like, till date. This strategy is called strategic commenting. Yes, strategic commenting on pull pages. Now, what are pull pages? Pull pages are pages that have high engagement, they have high followers of your target audience, not just any kind of pull pages. Okay. Now, if you ask yourself, where do your target audience normally hang on Instagram? What kind of pages do they normally check? Okay, go to those full pages, big pages, and leave a comment every single day on one of their posts or two of their posts. Do that every single day strategically with your business account, not your personal account. Now, I see some business owners do this. When you want to leave a comment on people's pages, they will now switch back to their personal account and then leave the comment and then go. That is wrong. You are not giving yourself enough visibility for your business page. Use your business pages to be commenting on people's posts. Okay, most especially the pull pages that I just talked about. So you go there. You can even turn on post notifications for their pages so that whenever they post, you'll be notified. Go there and leave a comment strategically, like valuable comment, something that will make sense, not negative comment. Positive comment that's going to draw eyeballs to your comment, and you can as well reply other people's comments. When you do that every single day, right, the people in the comment section will know you, will know about you. They will know your handle and they will check you out and then they'll follow you. Do you get? So that is a very, very powerful strategy that still works. It works till date, and I've been using this for the past 4 years right now and it still works, and I still do this. So strategic commenting is a really powerful strategy on how you can grow organically on Instagram. However, if your page is not optimized really well, if your page is not, you don't have valuable content, even if they discover, like I said earlier, they're not gonna follow. So do yourself this good and create valuable content so that you can, all the strategies will work out for you. Okay. The next strategy is Collab Future. Now, how many of you are aware of the Collab Feature on Instagram? Collab Feature on Instagram, or collaboration, is when you can collaborate with another account that has your target audience, and share one post together. Yes. So this means that, for example, if I collaborate with you, right, on a particular post, the post is going to appear on your feed, and it's going to appear on my feed. So any kind of engagement that happens on that post is going to happen on your feed as well. So it means it's kind of, we are going to be exchanging followers. So your followers are going to be exposed to me, to my account, and my followers are going to be exposed to your own account. So it's kind of like cross-sharing the post together. So this is really, really powerful as well. However, do it right, because when you send an invite to a collaborator, that person needs to accept before they see the post on their page. So you have to do it right. Don't just send any random person or someone that you think has a lot of followers just like that. For the Collab Future. No, look for someone within your cycle. Look for someone within the size of your own audience, right? So that you can do that together and ensure that their followers as what you are looking for, and your followers is what they are looking for as well. This really, really works powerful. It's a powerful tool that you can use to grow your pages organically on Instagram. The next strategy is, I know, like, a lot of you don't want to hear this. A lot of you don't want to hear this, but I have to say it, is by posting frequently. Yes. All of you that are saying, I don't have time. Instagram is demanding. Instagram is this. My sister, my brother. All of these strategies that I talked about, if you are not posting frequently, if you are not active on the platform, you know, go work. That is just it. They will not work. So you have to be actively, consistently posting frequently on Instagram. Wow, what a ride, right? So you have to do that, because let's take a look at Instagram. Instagram is based on recency, right? The platform algorithm is based on recency. If you make a post last week and then you think that your last week post is going to perform for you, like, you are just joking. You are joking. So you have to be posting frequently, as frequent as possible, okay? Before all these things will work out for you. Yeah, you have to show up. Take Instagram as your business, okay? Or as your shop. If you don't open your shop, who will come? How you will sell? You know, will sell. So open your shop every single day. Be there, okay? Be there, be active, be posting at least one post a day. Do yourself this favor. I know consistency is hard and it's hard to stick. You've been consistent. The moment you start, you'll be like, you just fall off the wagon. I get it. I've been there, right? But what will help you in being consistency is by having a schedule, by having a content calendar. If you don't have a content calendar, I don't know what to post. Obviously, you're not going to be consistent. But when you have at least 1 week of content calendar, at least one post a week, a day, at least minimum 1 post a day, then you're good to go. And one thing that can really help you with being consistency is by scheduling your post. Just as simple as that. Schedule it ahead of time. Schedule your 1 week post, schedule your 2 weeks post, schedule 5 days post, and then you're good, right? You don't have to, be constantly thinking, I have to post today, I didn't post, When you schedule, you are good. And one tool that is going to help you a lot with scheduling, it's a free tool, it's Facebook Creator Studio. Hello? Facebook Creator Studio. It is free. You can schedule your post ahead of time on Instagram and also on Facebook. But we're talking about Instagram right now, right? So schedule your post on Instagram. It can be a carousel. You can schedule your carousel. You can schedule your videos. You're good to go. So there is no excuse for you not to be consistent on Instagram. After watching this video, you are not allowed. Okay? You are not allowed. Now, let's move to the last tip. I mean the next tip. So the next tip that I told you that is going to shock you is checking your insights to see what's work and what's not working. How many of you do this? Be honest. Be honest. How many of you check your insights, say on a monthly basis or even weekly basis, to see the kind of content that's performing for you and what's not working? Because you have to be analytical. You have to work with data, right? You have to work with data. Because if you don't work with data, how do you know what's working and what's not? You just be working like aimlessly without knowing exactly what's working, the right routes to follow and stuff like that. That is why we have the Instagram analytics, the Instagram insights. Go to your page. It's available on every business profile. Go to your page or creator's profile. Go to your page and check your 30 days insight and see your highest reach from which post, and see the post that got you most followers, and see the kind of post that got you that has more engagement. Check that and write that down on your book. What kind of post is that? What did you write there? How did you create the video? Like, what kind of engagement did it bring? What kind of, analyze, and then say to yourself, okay, if it is reels, if maybe 30 seconds reels were performing better than 1 minute reel, do 30 seconds reels. If the kind of post that brought you more engagement were carousel posts, continue doing your carousel post. Do you get? If your single posts are not really performing, ditch that and convert them into reels. Do you get? So that's how you can analyze your insight. It's very, very simple to do, right? Ensure that you are keeping track of your insight so that you know what's working and what's not, so that you'll not be wasting your time 6 months posting single posts and then it's not performing. And I said it, Instagram single posts right now don't really, perform really well. Make them into reels. And if you want to know how to do that, you can do that with Canva and Interest. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on how to make your single post into reels, and I'll be glad to do that. Throughout this video, we've been talking about strategies on how you can grow on Instagram without paid ads, growing organically, and I've given you 7 strategies so far. Now, if you are interested on how you can optimize your Instagram bio, if you want to know how to write your Instagram bio perfectly, I have a video right here where I talked about Instagram bio. So after watching this, just click this and watch that video. And again, if you want to learn how you can sell every single day on Instagram, do subscribe to this channel, because on my next video next week, I'm going to be doing a full-blown video on how I sell every single day on Instagram. See you next time.